Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over another medium question in the database category that I just solved on my own. So again, I'm pretty happy that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any assistance, and I did it pretty quickly. So let me show you how I did it. This one's called last person to fit in the bus, number 1204. So basically you have this queue table, you want to return one person that is the last one to fit in the bus. There's a weight limit of 1,000, so you have to take your turns in the order that they're given. So basically 1 plus 2, you would keep adding them until you cross 1,000 and then get that last person's name and then just return it. So pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead and get to the turns and their respective weights, names, and IDs. So for I, Q, and enumerate Q turn. Let's have just a list, and we want to append the turn itself and then the weight. So Q weight of I, and then also the person name of I. So I don't think we care about the person ID because we just want the name. And then we want to sort it by the turns because they have to take their turns, and that was the 0th index. So key equals lambda x 0. So now let's print cur. Cool. So we just keep adding until we cross 1,000. So let's call this now for C and currents, and the answer is going to have our names inside of it. So basically if now plus C of 1, which is the second element, is less than or equal to 1,000, then we can add C1, and also we can append the current name, which is C of -1, right? Otherwise, if it's not, then we can just break it because that's all we need. So let's print answer. Okay, cool. And then we would just get the last person. Okay, so let's create an empty data frame, return it, and then let's actually make answer to become -1 to the end. So just the last person, and then let's create a new column called person name and set it equal to answer. Okay, let's run this. Okay, submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. Again, I'm really glad that I was able to solve this one on my own and come up with my own solution without any help. Again, I thought it was pretty easy and I did it relatively quickly, even though the runtime isn't great. Again, the purpose of my channel is to present my own work and my own solution. So hopefully you found value in this. If you did, consider subscribing, and as always, stay tuned for more.